If you've been trying to create online courses but end up staring at a blank screen like it's a physics exam, you're not alone. Most people struggle with writing modules, recording videos, building websites, and begging for traffic. Tutoric AI 2.0 claims it can fix all of that in under 1 minute without you recording a single video. Let's see if this thing is legit or just another shiny dashboard that makes your laptop sound like it's hosting NASA. Hey, this is Kamal from TestedApps.com. 6 years deep into SEO, affiliate marketing, and testing software that promises to change your life. Some changed my life in a good way. Some made me cry into my coffee. But today, you're getting an honest, no fluff, no fancy hype review of Tutoric AI 2.0. What works, what doesn't, and whether you should actually spend money on it. If you decide to grab Tutoric AI 2.0 through my link below, you'll unlock my exclusive bonus package. I'll add the details manually, but trust me, these bonuses will make this software far more profitable. Check the description after the video. Tutoric AI 2.0 is an AI-powered e-learning automation platform. It builds full online course businesses for you. Video courses, course curriculums, a complete Udemy-style website, funnels, emails, VSLs, traffic campaigns, even customer support. And the big promise is simple. You get to create and sell courses without writing, recording, editing, designing, or doing any marketing manually. It uses GPT-4, Claude 3, and custom AI models to build a complete e-learning empire from a single keyword. This isn't just for course creators. It's for anyone who wants a digital business without the usual headaches. 3 simple steps. Honestly, it's easier than explaining to your parents what affiliate marketing is. Step 1. Log in. The dashboard loads instantly. No confusing menus, no advanced expert mode. Just log in and you're inside. Step 2. Select a niche or enter a keyword. Type something like fitness, marketing, cooking, parenting, crypto, knitting. Yes, even knitting. Tutoric AI 2.0 handles everything from research to content. No PhD in course creation required. Step 3. Deploy. The system builds your entire course, your website, your funnel, your emails, your VSLs, and even lines up traffic campaigns. You click publish. Boom, your e-learning business goes live. If it were any easier, the app would probably come to your house and press the button for you. Here's what actually matters. Tools are great, but only if they solve real problems. Benefit 1. AI Course Generator. Tutoric AI 2.0 creates entire video courses from a single keyword. No outlining, no researching, no sitting for hours pretending you're working. It generates lessons, scripts, modules, and voiceovers. This kills the biggest roadblock beginners face, content creation. Benefit 2. Instant Udemy-style website. You get a fully built e-learning platform in under a minute. Clean design, high conversions. Most people fail because they can't build websites. This tool handles everything. Imagine launching a complete online school before your tea even cools down. Benefit 3. Funnels, emails, and VSLs built by AI. No need to hire designers or copywriters. No need to learn funnel platforms with more buttons than a spaceship. Tutoric builds your entire promotional system automatically. Landing pages, sales pages, video sales letters, follow-up emails, coupon codes, everything is done. Benefit 4. Built-in traffic engine. It promotes your site for you. Traffic is the biggest struggle for beginners. This system takes care of that too. Is it magic traffic? Not exactly, but it's a massive head start compared to doing everything alone. Benefit 5. 24/7 customer care agent powered by ChatGPT-4. No more handling support tickets at 2 a.m. Your AI assistant does it. This is the first time I've seen a system remove every layer of friction. No research, no recording, no editing, no website building, no funnel building. Just enter a keyword and go. The front-end price is only $17, one time, no monthly fee. Let me put that into perspective. Kajabi is around $150 per month. Teachable can hit $120 per month. Thinkific, close to that too. These platforms don't even build courses for you. They only host them. Tutoric AI 2.0 gives you course creation, website creation, funnels, emails, VSLs, automation, and traffic, all for the price of a cheap lunch. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Imagine waking up to notifications like this. You just made a sale, not from e-com, not from dropshipping, but from your very own automated e-learning business that you didn't even have to build yourself. Introducing Tutoric AI, the first ever AI platform that builds and sells your entire course business from scratch. Powered by GPT-4, Claude 3, and our proprietary Tutoric AI engine. It creates stunning Udemy-style websites loaded with ready-to-sell courses. In any niche, in any language, in just 30 seconds. The global e-learning industry is booming, projected to hit $414 billion by 2029. Names like Udemy, Coursera, and LinkedIn Learning are cashing in, and now you can too. No need to record videos, no writing, no editing, no designing, no building websites, no tech headaches, and definitely no wasting months of your life. Here's how fast Tutoric AI works. Step 1. Log into your dashboard. Step 2. Choose a niche or enter a keyword. Step 3. Let the AI generate your full course site with professionally written course content, sales funnels, VSLs, landing pages, auto-built course storefront, built-in traffic tools, 24/7 AI chatbot for support, one-click payment integration. It's like launching your own version of Udemy without lifting a finger. Whether you're a complete beginner, coach, marketer, content creator, freelancer, or agency, Tutoric AI gives you a powerful edge. Sell digital products, build course sites for clients, monetize your knowledge, or just the AI's knowledge. With traditional tools, you'd spend $100 month on subscriptions, 4,100 plus hours creating courses, and still be stuck figuring it all out. With Tutoric AI, it's all done for you in seconds. For a limited time during launch, you can get lifetime access for less than the cost of a night out. But once this deal ends, it's gone. No replays, no exceptions. And yes, you're protected with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee. So if you're ready to build a passive income stream, own your slice of the dollar for one for B education goldmine, let AI do all the hard work for you. Then stop watching others succeed and start your own e-learning empire today. Click the button below to get instant access to Tutoric AI. Build, sell, profit with Tutoric AI, your shortcut to automated e-learning success.
If you want the full power, here's the upgrade path. OTO 1, $46, unlimited version. Create unlimited courses, websites, funnels, traffic campaigns. If you want to scale, get this one. OTO 2, $195, done for you package. Their team builds your business for you, perfect for beginners who want zero setup. OTO 3, $97, automation edition. More automated features. If you love hands-free income, this helps. OTO 4, $64, advanced AI tools, better content generation and faster creation. OTO 5, $195, agency and reseller rights. Sell the software and keep all the profit. Great for agencies. OTO 6, $297, white label. Rebrand the software as your own. Great for agencies. OTO 7, $47, traffic booster. Extra promotion features. OTO 8, $387, coaching and enterprise upgrade. High-level support and guidance. You don't need all of them. My top picks are OTO 1 and OTO 2. Unlimited and done for you give them maximum boost. When I test tools, I throw everything at them. If a software survives my testing, it deserves credit. I tested Tutoric AI 2.0 by building a course site in a niche I don't normally touch. Within minutes, it created a full curriculum, a functional website, and a clean funnel. No technical errors, no dashboard crash, no laptop meltdown. I wish tools like this existed when I started. Back then, building one course took weeks. This thing does it in under a minute. Tutoric AI 2.0 isn't perfect, but it is one of the easiest beginner-friendly systems I've tested in 2025. It's not a magic ATM. You won't click a button and wake up with a private jet. It's not for people who expect income without effort. You'll still need to pick a bit niche. You'll still need to market your site. The AI traffic tool helps, but it's not a miracle solution. If you hate digital products or hate learning new things, this is not for you. Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow and instead of stressing about content, funnels, websites, or traffic, you simply log in and see your e-learning business running on autopilot. Courses created, funnels built, leads coming in, sales notifications popping. That's what Tutoric AI unlocks. For beginners, this is the fastest path to launching an online business without the overwhelm. And right now, the price is at its lowest. Once the launch ends, it goes up. The link is below. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If this review helped, hit like. Subscribe for more honest tool reviews. This is Kamal from TestedApps.com. See you in the next one.